This is our gearbox, and this is what we call the counter gear. So now here I'm going to install the bell housing, the one that covers the gear, the clutch and the pressure plate inside the gearbox. This is the counter gear, the one you're seeing here. So this is the bell housing which I'm going to put to cover. This is now our gearbox that is complete, whereby I have installed the bell housing. This is what we call the bell housing, which protects the clutch and the pressure plate inside on the engine. Now after installing your bell housing like this, and you confirm that these bolts are tight, these ones here for the bell housing. Now our next thing is to install the fork, because this is a manual car. Now I bring my fork. Now you bring your fork and install it. You first make sure that the release bearing has locked properly. These are the locks for the release bearing. You confirm that these locks are tight. Now after you installing like this the fork, so our next thing is to put back the gearbox, because we are working on the bell housing. It's now fine. This is the fork, this this is what happens whenever you stick the clutch. The release bearing has to move like this to separate the clutch and the pressure plate for you for in a gear engagement.